Craft Kids?
What's up, Craft Kids?
Today,
we're gonna draw some helicopters.
That's right, we're gonna draw some beginner lesson helicopters just for you.
Sick.
They're pretty sick? Yeah, they're pretty sick.
Basic.
Oh, basic.
Not sick. Basic.
Well, I thought you were talking like, you know, like the kids say, that's pretty sick, man.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right, you ready to get started?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. We forgot to tell them about your teeth. A few weeks ago, you lost your teeth. What do they look like now? They're growing. They're coming. They're coming in. It's a big moment.
Yay!
Cool. Thanks, Odin. Get your sword out. Here we go. The first thing we're going to do, Odin, is we're going to draw an oval. It's going to be an oval that's going to be the main cabin of our helicopters. So, right in this general area here, we're going to draw an oval. Okay, so we have our ovals. Do these need to be perfect?
No.
No, at Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
fun.
That's right, we go for fun. Now we're going to put the tail of the helicopter on. And this is going to stick out like this. And it's going to go all the way to the back of our paper. And once we get here, we're going to put it on an angle. Is that going to be the top of your... Why don't we make that the top of yours? And the tail will come out the bottom and go up here like this, okay? Okay, and then this part is going to go like this. And then it's going to come together like that. Kind of looks like a foot if you look at it like that, okay? So Odin's going to do his reverse because he put his line up here a little too high, the first line, so he's going to actually go underneath. Yes. Nice. Okay. Now, we're going to draw the windshield. Ready? Watch this. All we're going to do is put like a little curved piece in here. And that's going to represent where the pilot sits and flies the helicopter. That's the windshield. Good job. Good stuff. Now.
And now are we going to draw the bottom?
You want to do the bottom next? Sure. Okay. So out of the bottom, there's going to be 2 legs. Really 4, but you can only see 2 of them. So 1 leg there, which is 2 lines. And then 1 leg here, which is another 2 lines. Well, you didn't make your first one diagonal, so just go straight down. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. Good. Then you're going to make a pipe that connects these 2. From right here to about right here. You're going to make a pipe. And then you're going to connect those lines if they don't already connect. Good. Ready? Ready for this one?
Mm-hmm.
Diagonal piece right there. Good.
And then I think
Yeah, we mimic the shape, right? So we're gonna make this, which is a pipe, like a tubular piece of metal. We're gonna mimic this shape so we can see that it's a thick piece of tube. Oh, I really like how it's coming along, Odin. Nice job. Just a few details left, okay? Do you want to do the blades first, or do you want to do the door first?
Blades.
Okay. So next, the blades are done like this. You do a rectangle on the top, in the middle, or a square. Good. And then on top of that, you do
Another one.
a littler width, but the corners are rounded on it. Okay?
Like that?
Yeah, awesome. Now we're gonna draw our blades on the top. And our blades are this blade, the front one's gonna come all the way to the edge of the paper. And the back one, we're gonna do a little pen measuring. And we're gonna make sure it's the same size. But this first one, I'm gonna draw almost all the way out to the edge. And really what we're gonna draw here is like a really long, skinny flower petal. Really long and skinny. It's curved a little bit on the end. And it comes back like that. Oh, nice. Very good, Odin. Very good. Now what we do is we take our Sharpie, we line up the end of the pen cap with the end of the blade, and then we put our fingers where it connects to that piece in the middle so that we can lay it down here and we can make our blades the exact same size. You got it? Yeah, now move it out. Good. Now where your thumb is, you can put a finger down like Daddy's doing. Okay, and then we just make a dot. That's where you want your other fan blade, your other blade to come to, so that they're the exact same size. Okay.
Okay.
All right, and then the process is the same. Yeah, nice. Okay, just a few more steps. We're gonna put the back blade on. Okay, that's what stabilizes the helicopter, so it doesn't just go spinning around in circles. Okay, we're gonna put a circle right here. Circle. And then we're going to draw 2 more of those long skinny flower petal looking things. They're much smaller versions of this. Ready? Watch Dad. 1. And then we're going to draw straight down on the other side. We're going to draw another one to match it. And I probably should have done my measuring, but it's pretty close. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna color these straight in black. Just color them right in black. Okay, now just the door left to go. Okay, so how we're gonna do the door is we're gonna, from top to bottom, we're gonna draw a line. At first it's gonna mimic this shape of the windshield, and then it's just gonna go straight down, okay? Ooh, I like how you gave it a little curve. That's really nice, bud. Now, this other line does go straight down. So you're going to come on the other side of the blades, and you're going to draw a line that goes straight down. Good. Now we're going to pop a window in there, and the window is going to mimic the outside shape, except for, of course, here it's just going to come straight across. Ready? Watch that. It's going to mimic the shape that's around it. And then it's going to come straight across right there. So there's our door. That's how you get in and out. Nice job. And then we put, do you remember the door handle we made on the box truck? Just a little, oh, I drew mine the wrong way. Oopsies.
Yeah, but it's okay.
Thank you.
You're
gonna have to be okay, because I don't want to mess it up by flipping it. So there's my handle. Odin's got his handle. And Odin had these are basically done, but Odin had talked about adding one more detail line because we think it would look cool if we had a line that goes like that. Kind of makes it look a little cooler. Yeah. Good job. Now we're going to color these. Odin, do you want to use a magic trick, or do you want to just color on camera?
Color on camera.
Color on camera. Here we go. All right. So we're going to color these however we feel like it, because there are helicopters. We own them. So we can paint them however we want.
Not paint. Draw.
Color with marker, right?
Yeah.
One, two, three. Ready? Helicopters!
Helicopters!
These are our helicopters. Did you have a good time, Odin?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't hear you over the sound of the helicopter.
Yeah.
Where'd your helicopter go? Oh, there it is. All right, did you have fun, Odin?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go take a flight in our helicopters.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, thanks for watching. Until we see you next time.
Keep flying. Bye, awesome. Bye.
Keep drawing. Stay
awesome.
Bye.